Hello, assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Technology 2023. This is Practical Civil Engineering. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to receive my better videos regarding the site constructions. Today my topic is thermoplastic road marking. There are two types of the marking. One is called water paint marking, which is we are doing for the normally temporary diversion, and the other is called thermoplastic road marking. Thermoplastic road marking is the permanent road marking which is applied over the wearing course. Before starting the thermoplastic marking, surveyor has to do the setting out or pre marking, and the pre marking INR should be raised and should be approved by the surveyors. As you can see here, the dotted line is called pre marking. Prior to start the pre marking, the area should be cleaned properly to do the pre marking. Once the pre marking is approved, the pre marking should be done for each and every line. As you can see here, for center lines near the curbstone and near the guardrail, all the pre marking has been completed. As you can see it here, the warning tape is installed and several distance or several interval for the breakup of the center lines. Every road marking have a specific number which is mentioned. As you can see it here, this is the number 507. It is the mark for the road marking line which will show you the length of the road marking as well as the breakup of the road marking. As you can see it here, this masking tape, as you can see, the middle small interval is the breakup between the two road marking. The road marking material is coming from their two source and it is heated in the furnace. As you can see it here, the thermoplastic material is putting in the furnace. It is heated in a very high temperature. The required temperature is 250 degrees centigrade to melt this thermoplastic material. Once the material is heated in the furnace, then it is putting in the smaller machine which we are using for the road marking. This is a box where we are putting the glass beads. The glass beads are spreading over thermoplastic marking for the reflective purposes. Once this materials is filled in the smaller machine, then it will be used for the permanent road marking. The required temperature is 250 centigrade is here. The machine is almost now filled and we will going to start the permanent road marking and you will see it now. The glass beads, if it is less in quantity, this should be filled, that the work should be interrupted during the execution. There is also temperature gauge installed inside this machine. As you can see, we start the permanent road marking here. For the orientation of the line, there is in a steel fin is installed for the orientation of the line to follow exactly the center line of the road marking. The small masking tape, as you can see it here, this is for the breakup the lines between the center lines. This is the center line, the thermoplastic road marking. As you can see, the breakup line is there. The distance should be as per the approved soldering as per the bar mark of the road marking. Sometimes the center line is bigger and sometimes it is smaller in dimension lengthwise because it depends upon the traffic flow. If the traffic flow is near to the roundabout or near to the signal, the road center line marking is becoming more bigger, and the short distance between the thermoplastic marking is becoming less. It's avoid the traffic not to overtake each other in these conditions. As you can see it here, now the thermoplastic marking is ongoing here. This is the lane marking. This is three lane carriageway. Each line should be marked. The lane marking is done to facilitate the traffic to drive in their specific way. If there is a breakup in the center line, you can divert from one line to another line easily. It is just for identification that you can divert from one line to another line as per the rules and the traffic regulations. As you can see it here, this line is straight line. There is no breakup line here because this is near the curb stone. Near the curb stone, there should be no breakup line, and this is avoid the traffic not to stop in any vehicle near the curb stone. As you can see it here, the small scale is fixing for the orientation to follow the line. The thermoplastic material is coming down, and the glass beads are also sprayed automatically over the hard thermoplastic marking. As you can hear it said, this is straight line marking. There is no breakup in this one. It means no traffic should be allowed to stop in this area. But in this area, as you can see it here, this is the final road marking is done here. This is the lane marking. As you can see, the breakup in the line is you can divert from one line to another line. Once you will reach to the near to the signal or the roundabout, this center line becoming bigger, and this will not allow you. This is just like a restriction line not to cross near the roundabout or signal from one line to the other line. This is the deaccelerating lines which you are going to enter in the lay-by area or in the access road. This is still ongoing, the thermoplastic road marking. It is not yet completed. As you can see it here, this white line is almost completed near the curb stone. This is clearly instructions on the both sides. This is straight lines. As you can see it on the right hand side, the straight line, there is no breakup in the line. And the middle way, the lane marking, it is showing the breakup in the center line here. It means this allow you to change the line from one line to other line. But here in the other side also is straight line. This not allow you to stop any vehicle near the curb stones. This is the center line. There is a breakup line, straight line. The distance between the road marking, the center line is specified as per the road marking line. This is 3-lane carriageway. This is on the right hand side, is going to right side on the access road. This is going divert to the access road. This road marking is almost completed, but still it is not allowed for traffic because still not finalized this one. As you can see it here, 1, 2, 3. This is 3-lane carriageway. The each width of the carriageway is 3.6 meter. There is intermediate in the carriageway. Near the curb stone and the center median always should be straight line. Sometimes it is yellow and sometimes it is white line as per the traffic requirement. Now we are near to the junction here in this area. The junction is still not finalized. Once it is finalized, As you can see it here, the junction is still not finalized. When it's finalized, you will see later on in the video. I already updated this one. This is the pedestrian crossing. In each signal, there are several pedestrian crossing from all sides. As you can see, I said the drop curve. Now we already put the road marking here in the islands. This is an island marking. As you can see it here, the breakup is there in the middle. This is part of pedestrian road marking, but is still not completed. This road marking is facilitate the pedestrian crossing to cross from one side to the other side of the signal. As you can see, the free marking for the pedestrian crossing on the left and right hand side, it is still not completed. This is an island. This is the same pedestrian crossing, but pedestrian crossing is not yet completed. When it's completed, I will update in the next video. As you can see it here, this is an island for the center area. There's a brick on the both hand side, left hand side and right hand side. This break of line is for the pedestrian crossing for both sides of the traffic. This is the nose part from where you are making U-turn from left hand side to the right hand side of the carriageway. This is the pre-marking for the pedestrian crossing. Pre-marking is very important for the road marking, because this is giving the orientation to the permanent road marking. As you can see it here, now it's going to the signal and this road marking is almost completed. As you can see, the dotted line is becoming smaller and the white marking is becoming shorter as well. This has clearly instructed you to reduce your speed and not to make overtake on the other cars. This is from the main carriageway. You are going to U-turn or you are going to take lefts from the signal. This is the left side road marking. Once you are going to take U-turn or to make left and the signals. From the main carriageway to the left hand side. Because from the main carriageway, main signal, you cannot make left. There is a specific left on each signal. You have to keep left from a certain distance, not to violate the traffic violation. Because in each signal later on the camera will be fixed and you will not be allowed to pass from main signal towards the left side. As you can see it here, they are now preparation also for the Giveway signs. They are doing the pre-marking here, putting the masking tape. These are expert people. They are taking the dimension as per the approved shop drawing. Some road marking they are doing manually and sometime and they are doing some devices and instrument for the perfect road marking. This masking tape is installing for the pedestrian crossing road marking and for the Giveway road marking. As you can see it here, this is the pedestrian crossing. This pre-marking is done for the pedestrian crossing, and this is the road marking is done for the Giveway signs. Once you are going to enter the main carriageway, you should stop here to see left side, and then you have to enter the carriageway. This mark is called Giveway marking. It's also have its number and it's also have a specific dimension which is mentioned in the drawing. All the road marking to be done as per the approved short drawing, and for each road marking there is a specific dimension as per their barcode. This is the pedestrian pre-marking, which is not yet completed. In each signal, there are pedestrian crossing from four sides to facilitate the pedestrian to pass from one side to the other side. Before starting any free marking, the area should be properly cleaned, and then the permanent road marking should be implemented on that area. As you can see it here, the pedestrian both side road marking is done, but still the pedestrian crossing road marking is not yet completed. This is the junction and the signal. This road marking is also completed here. Before to reach the junction, there is a pedestrian crossing. This is the stop line. Before the signal, this is called the stop line. Up to the stop line, there is a pedestrian crossing. So when the signal is closed, the people is going to able to cross from one side to the other side of the road. You should stop before 1 meter the stop line if the signal is red, because it allows the pedestrian to cross from one side to the other side of the line. This is called stop line. In each signal, all the four sides this stop line should be marked before the pedestrian crossing and before the signal. This is a pedestrian marking. It's still not completed. When it's completed, I will share another video regarding the pedestrian marking. We have some design issue here which is not yet completed. When it's completed, I will share the same. This is called junction box. In each signal, there is a yellow box which is called junction. This yellow line is strictly prohibited you not to park any car here. Even the signal is green, you should not allow to stop your car in the yellow box. The yellow box marking is also done as per the approved short drawing. The dimension is already mentioned in the drawing. Their barcode and their specific number is identified in the drawing. This should be done as per the drawing. This is called yellow box or junction. As you can see it here, all the road markings are almost completed in this area. The side marking, the lane marking. As you can see it here, some arrow line is installed here. The arrow direction is giving direction to the traffic flow where you have to go, to facilitate the drivers to go straight. Once you are near to the junction, you should go straight. As you can see it here, the center line is bigger now, more than as per usual, because it is strictly prohibited you or not allow you to pass the lane from one side to the other side. You can go straight only. You cannot pass from one lane to the other lane. In this side, this is the free right. You can take right from here to go to the right side. Now it is ready for open to traffic. This is the right way. Arrow sign is also have their specific marking, dimension, width and height and depth. Specific tests are required for this one as per the construction specification or as per the traffic manual. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments, please put in the comments box. Thank you.